Hey guys, my name is Mase Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So, guys, as I told you from my previous video that things are hectic here, so I'm just like going up and down looking for a spot to make a video, guys. So, voila, here we are. So yeah, guys, so today I'm here just to vent, guys. I think, guys, I want like to make a venting session like every week, like a venting time. I think like starting from this week, guys, I want to have a venting time, guys. Every week, once a week, venting time. Because wow, guys, because my YouTube channel, guys, is my therapy, guys. So if I'm going through the lot, if I'm going through it, I have to come here, guys. I have to come to my camera and vent because wow, guys, wow, things are hard, guys. Things are not good in my side, guys. But in jail, we move. So, guys, see, I was thinking, I want to mix. Actually, I have three things that on my mind, guys. I'm thinking deep. I'm thinking detour. I'm thinking carpet shampoo. It's a lot of things, guys. Carpet shampoo, car shampoo, everything, guys. But in J, my question is, I'm going to use my chemicals, guys. You know, guys, when I start this YouTube of mine, guys, when I do all these things, it was nice. I was happy. And when I start to do like mixing chemicals, everything was nice, guys. People subscribe to my channel. But right now, guys, I'm like, okay, fine. I can make a video of dishwashing liquid 1,000 times, guys. I can make a video of pine gel 1,000 times, or thick bleach or bleach, something like that, guys, because those things I make it and people buy, guys. So now, and material, guys, is expensive. I don't want to lie to you. So like I was like, oh my goodness, I'm going to make deep using my expensive chemicals and do what, guys, with the deep or carpet shampoo or anything, guys. I'm going to mix all those things and do what with those things. So I don't know, guys. I think maybe we can change this. I don't know. I don't know how to do it because, yay, things are expensive, guys. Especially chemicals, guys. They are very, very expensive. So I want like maybe every week to make a new thing, guys. But the thing is, the material is expensive, guys. So I don't know how to do this, guys. Or maybe should I just come here and give you the recipes? I don't know, guys. I don't know. And some things are easy when I show you, guys. So I think I'm gonna do this when I do training, guys, because I came here to show you maybe how to make deep, guys. I use my chemicals and everything. So what am I going to do with that deep? I must throw it away. And I have another client, guys, came to me online training, guys. She or he want me to show how to make dip, and I'm using what? I'm using my chemicals again, guys. And after everything, I'm throwing it away again, guys, because I don't have enough space to put all this, to save them there, guys. Because like, if I make this thing like weekly, where am I going to put all those things? Where, guys? Where? So I don't know how can we do this, guys. I really don't know. I really want to do this. That's my passion and everything, guys, but it's too much for me, guys. It's eating me, guys. I'm going through a lot, guys. I'm struggling because of the chemicals that I buy and came to YouTube, show you and throw them away, guys, because wow, guys. So I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I do not know, guys. So yeah, guys, we can just talk about this, guys. What do you want to see me mixing? Or maybe how should we make all this, guys? Please come with suggestion, guys. I want to make something, guys. I want to make something, but I want to make something that I'll commission from, guys, because I can't just take out money and receive nothing. I don't know if it makes sense, guys, because like I have to buy all these things. I have to buy these things, came to YouTube, and then show you guys, and after everything, what do I do with all these things? Or maybe you can order, guys, or something. Just come with suggestion, guys, because I don't know. I'm stuck. I'm stuck here between a rock and a hard place, guys, because I really love to do what I'm doing, guys. But now if I have to go bankrupt because of this, is it worth it, guys? Is it really worth it? So, or maybe if you want to see something, guys, just ask me. If you want me to show you something, just ask me, and then we will make an online training, because like up to so far, you know, guys, you know I can make this thing. You know, guys, I mean, I don't have to prove anything anymore. If you don't believe in me, then that means you'll never believe in me ever, guys. So yeah, guys, let's talk, guys. Let's talk. People maybe are surprised now, because like it's being, guys. I have a longest time, guys, not mixing anything, because it's expensive, guys. It's very expensive from me, from my pocket, because everything is from my pocket, guys. So it's a lot, guys. So yeah, guys, so please, guys, comment, guys. Just come to the comment section so that we can talk about this. Please comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. And guys, please, guys, online training, guys, online training, please. I'm still available. I'm still cheap, only 200 rand, guys. Please support your mama here. And guys, my skin is skinning, guys. I don't want to lie to you. Can you see this? Wow, guys. Wow. Bio oil is the best, guys. Remember when I told you last time that my face, like, I have a very sensitive face, guys. every time in J, I will see like something like sunburn, like blemish, like whatever. But since I start to use bio oil, guys, wow, I love my skin, guys. I love my skin. I'm in love with my skin. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.